What's going on, guys? Warren, Divine Audio Visual, back with another video. Today we've got something really cool for you. We have the all-new Sony A95K versus the Sony A90J. Which one is best? We'll have to show you some images and you guys will decide for yourselves. All right, so if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. We've got a bunch of cool home theater tours and home automation videos coming your way, and we keep you up to date with the latest and greatest in home theater and automation technology. If you're in the DFW area and you want to pick up one of these TVs or have us install for you and custom integrate for you, we are the guys for you. Go ahead and give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll be taking care of you soon. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Talk to you soon.